A Christmas Carol by Christina Rossetti. In the bleak midwinter, long ago, frosty with May bone, earth stood hard as iron, water like a stone. Stone. Snow had fallen, snow on snow, snow on snow. In the bleak midwinter long ago, our God heaven cannot hold him, nor earth sustain. Heaven and earth shall flee away when he comes to reign. In, in the bleak in the bleak midwinter long ago, was a stable place sufficed. Our God, our the Lord, the Lord, all, the Lord God Almighty Jesus Christ. In, enough for him whom enough for him whom enough for him whom cherubim worship night and day.
Hmm.
A breast full of milk and a manger full of hay.
Hmm.
Enough for him whom angels fall before, the ox and ass and camel which adore. Angels may have gathered there. Cherubim and seraphim throng the air. But his mother only in her maiden bliss worship the beloved with a kiss. What can I give him poor as I am? If I were a shepherd, I will bring a lamb. If, if I were a wise man, I will do my part. Yet what can I give him? Give my heart.